So Humpty Dumpty fell on a wall. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Actually, today I was watching a cake show. It's a good show. And people had to make cakes, and there was a Humpty Dumpty one, and Humpty Dumpty fell off the wall because he got drunk. It's not kid appropriate, so they lost because of that.
I'm the one who said that.
I know, but they said it too. Right now,
I said it before them.
You're trying to make me go deaf. Anyway, I look really fat.
So what about them Bears?
How about them White Sox? Right?
No.
Right?
No.
My eyeball hurts.
No. You know it's my job?
No.
Why?
I don't like that dogs. I don't like anything. I never use it. It's like kill by itself once it's really painful.
Well,
Because I don't want it to stop working if I use it. Which is Tylenol. So you only use one tablet. What the fuck? Why does someone glitter on me?
because that thing has a lot of glitter on it. Don't you know?
I'm so tired.
Tell the camera you're tired.
I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Looks like you have like fucking Bugs Bunny teeth right there.
Oh, of course that it works.
Say something to them. I've been talking.
I'm so tired!
She's gonna come in here. She's gonna kill us. Like she did last time.
That was funny.